Hi, good morning. I would like to make a reservation for third weekend of September. Do you have any vacancies?
Certainly, sir. Let me check and see what rooms are available. May I have your full name, please, so I can address you properly?
This is Kirby Manalo.
For that information, Mr. Gerby, upon checking our system, we have several rooms available for you on that particular weekend. May I know what is the exact date of your arrival?
On the 24th,
How long will you be staying, sir?
just a couple nights.
For how many people is the reservation for?
There will be two of us.
You need a room with one bed or two.
One queen-size bed, please.
Would you care for a room with a balcony?
A balcony will suit my needs just fine. What's the rate of the room?
Alright, sir, we have available deluxe room with balcony good for 2 packs. And this comes with complimentary breakfast for 2. It costs 7,500 per night. Your room is $590 per night. Now, what name will the reservation be listened under?
Kirby Manalo.
Your last name is Manalo. Did I get it correct?
Yes, that is correct.
And is there a phone number where you can be contacted?
Yes, my cell phone number is 0962-858-1558.
Great, now I need your credit card information to reserve the room for you. What type of card is it?
Visa. The number is 0933-555-043.
And what is the name of the card holder?
Kirby Manalo.
Alright, Mr. Kirby, your reservation has been made for the 24th of September for a room with a double bed and view of the ocean. Check-in is at 2 o'clock. If you have any other question, please do not hesitate to call us.
Great, thank you so much.
My pleasure. We'll see you in September, Mr. Kirby. Have a nice day. Good afternoon. Welcome to Cabrera Hotel. How may I help you?
We have a reservation for today. It's under the name of Kirby Manalo.
Can you please spell that for me, sir?
Sure, Manalo.
Mr. Erickson, we've reserved a double room for you with a view of the ocean for 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, it is.
Excellent. We already have your credit card information on file. If you all just sign the correct receipt along the bottom.
Whoa, $590 a night.
Yes, sir. We are a 5-star hotel after all.
Well, fine. We're here on business anyway, so at least we're staying on the company's line. What's included in this cost anyway?
A full continental buffet every morning, free airport shuttle service, and use of the hotel's safe are all included.
So what's not included in the price?
Well, you will find a minibar in your room. Use of it will be charged to your account. Also, the hotel provides room service at an additional charge, of course.
Okay, so what room we are in?
Room 487, here is your key. To get your room, take the elevator on the right up to the 4th floor. Turn left once you exit the elevator and your room will be on the left side. A bellboy will bring your bags up shortly.
Great, thanks.
You have any question or request? Please dial 0 from your room. Also, there is internet available in the lobby 24 hours a day.
Okay, and what time is our checkout?
At midday, sir.
Okay, thanks.
My pleasure, sir. Have a wonderful stay at the Cabrera Hotel.
Good morning, sir. I'm Mr. Andre and I'm your butler for today. May I help you with your luggage, sir? This way to your room, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a good day. Here's your luggage.
Did you enjoy your stay with us?
Yes, very much so. However, we now need to get to the airport. We have a flight that leaves in about 2 hours. So what is the quickest way to get there?
We do have a free airport shuttle service.
That sounds great. But will it get us to the airport on time?
Yes, it should. The next shuttle leaves in 15 minutes. And it takes approximately 25 minutes to get to the airport.
Fantastic. We'll wait in the lounge area. Will you please let us know when it will leave?
Of course, sir. Oh, before you go, would you be able to settle the minibar bill?
Oh yes, certainly. How much will that be?
Let's see. The bill comes to $37.50. How would you like to pay for that?
I'll pay with my Visa, thanks. But I'll need a receipt so I can change it to my company.
Absolutely. Here we are, sir. If you like, you can leave your bags with the porter and he can load them onto the shuttle for you when it arrives.
That would be great. Thank you.
Thank you again for staying at the Cabrera Hotel.